Okay, up next, let's talk about uh, can we do some of the same functions we've done with other chords with mixture chords? In other words, can we do something like tonicize a mixture chord? We absolutely can. We can use a mixture chord to pivot in a modulation. We can use a mixture chord to as a secondary dominant. Um, it's a little trickier, but you can totally do it, and it makes for some really fun little switches around in a chord progression. Take this one. I just added another kind of just short little chord progression, C major. Oops. Here we go. Oops, let's start at the beginning. Okay, it's just kind of a whirlwind that we go through there. We start and end in C major, right? But we go C to an E flat major chord to A flat major chord to a G major chord to a C major chord. It's got a whole ton of major chords there moving around. Now, this might look like, if you think about it, it might look like C to flat 3 to flat 6 to 5 to 1. But there's more to it than that. We might be able to call something in here a secondary dominant, actually. So let's actually go to a new video and dive into an analysis of this and explain what I'm heavily alluding to right now. Off we go.